We at Lagerservice have always strived to be the first choice in third-party logistics. When we got the opportunity to create a new warehouse from scratch, we were able to use our long experience of what works to create even better logistics solutions for our customers. Our ambitions set high demands, not least on the shelving systems when it came to quality, flexibility, and the competence of the supplier. AJ Products gave a very good impression from the start, with their knowledge and commitment. Since their overall solution included everything from planning and sketches to delivery and assembly, and they also coordinated things with other suppliers, the choice was ultimately easy. Fully completed, the warehouse now holds over 31,000 pallet spaces in around 10 different configurations, all to meet the customer's widely varying needs. In addition, we also have over 3,000 running meters of storage shelves for small items on the mezzanine. We're very pleased with the collaboration. Thanks to AJ Products, we can now serve every customer with exactly the logistics solution they need.